how to generate image for lessons using Magic School AI. So in order to do that, just search in here for image generator. And then from in there, you should be able to see this, which is the image generator right here. Head over and click on this image generator under the all tools, and you can see this image generator. So let's put in here this text to image. Click on this text to image right here, and then this will actually use the help of Adobe in order to make this possible. So for this case, let's just wait for this, and in here you can just sign in order to make this possible. So for this one, let's click on this create an account, and then for this one, you should be able to create an account on Adobe ID. So I'll head over and then continue using my Google in order to make this more easy for me. So as you can see, this is what it would look like now. Since we're using it for lessons, let's head over and put in here this benzoic acid formula that you can use for chemistry. You can also put in here reference images right here. So for example, let's put in here a style that you want. And then from in there, you can put in here any image that you want. And in here, you also put in your image size as well as the content type. It can be graphic, auto, or anything. And then for this case, you can also use some styles. So from in there, click on this generate right here. And then it will generate some images that actually fits what you have put on your text. So just wait for this text right here in order to be finished. Now you can see right here that we have now the benzoic acid formulas and they have interesting backgrounds. So let's head over and use this one because I like this more. Head over and click on this in order to properly use it right here. So just click on this particular image in order to use this and click on the Save to Magic School right above. And then this will load in order to put this right here on the bottom. So you can name your image. Now, after you name your image, just click on Save. And then you should be able to see it right here in your image generator. So in here, you can head over and click on this download right here if you want to download this particular image. So that's how you generate images using for lessons on the Magic School AI. Hope we helped.